You're welcome. This session. So today I'll be discussing body mass index. This is a very short calculation because as we shall be progressing, body mass index is key in pharmaceutical calculation. Um, so what is BMI or body mass index? This is the body weight in kilogram divided by the square root of the height in meters. And some of us, this one is used to assess overweight, obese, and risk of these consequences. Now, while in a pharmacy, this is something you can easily, this is a service that you can easily start in the pharmacy because the pharmacy could have a weighing scale, it could also have a height for measuring, for a tape measure for measuring the height, so that you give an extra service to the community. Then you try to advise them very well, especially based on their body weight. Because if someone is overweight, they have high risk of developing diseases, other diseases, heart disease, and diabetes mellitus. So this is the formula for calculating body mass index: weight divided by height squared, or height times height in meters. It's supposed to be a height like this, but I didn't want to. They couldn't allow me to put it here, so me I just multiplied height times height. So this is how you can interpret BMI. If it's less than 1.8, the patient is underweight. Between this to 18.5 to 2.24.9, normal weight, and 2.25 to 29 is overweight, and then obese is this. Over 40, this is extremely obese. So it's good for some people to know their weight, their BMI. So we have some examples here. For example, it's one question. A patient weighs 75 kilograms and has a height of this 175 centimeters. Calculate the patient's BMI and comment on the answer. So as you can see, the height should be in meters. So you convert it to meters here. It's good you get the height squared. Height times height, which you get this. You could put meter squared. Meter squared. So the BMI, just the kilogram divided by the height squared, which is this. And if we go back to our interpretation above, so the patient is turning towards what? Being over, is normal, but is turning towards overweight because it is 24.5. It's normal, but towards the extreme of normal. So it's turning towards overweight. So these patients could be advised start exercises, to eat well, eat healthy, and so I have one example here, and then more questions in our quizzes. In our quizzes or in our Google Classroom, which are very interactive, and always attempt them. I want to thank you for listening to me.